What is happening, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to Microsoft Sphere, your ultimate source for the pulse of the digital world. The pace of innovation never stops, and this week is no exception. We've got groundbreaking updates that are set to redefine your digital experience, from the very ports that connect your devices to the future of artificial intelligence and the seamless integration of your digital life. Get ready to dive deep into the news that matters, the stories that are shaping tomorrow, and the tech that's making it all happen. You won't want to miss a single second of this. First up, we're tackling a frustrating issue that's plagued PC users for too long. Microsoft is finally taking a stand to ensure that every single USB-C port on your Windows 11 machine actually works as intended. We're talking about clarity, consistency, and a fix for those annoying mislabeled ports that slow down your data and your charging. Then, we shift gears to a monumental announcement from the world of philanthropy and cutting-edge technology. A significant endowment is being established with a massive sum, specifically targeting the advancement of artificial intelligence and the critical fight against climate change. This is big news with potentially world-altering implications. Next, get ready for a major convenience upgrade coming to your devices. Microsoft is gearing up to bring seamless Clipboard synchronization between your Windows PC and your Android phone. And yes, it works with Gboard. Imagine copying something on your computer and instantly having it available on your phone. We're breaking down how this game-changing feature will work and what it means for your productivity. And finally, we're diving into the world of unified communications and how a revolutionary platform is transforming the way businesses connect. We'll explore how Call to Teams is streamlining voice integration with Microsoft Teams, making complex connections simple and efficient for service providers and their clients. Stay locked in, because this is the tech news you need to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Finally, a fix for flaky USB-C ports on Windows 11. For years, PC users have grappled with the frustration of USB-C ports that don't quite work right. Whether it's mislabeled connectors, slower than expected data transfer speeds, or charging issues, these inconsistencies have been a persistent annoyance, especially on laptops where port availability is often limited. Microsoft is now stepping in to address this widespread problem by issuing new guidelines to PC manufacturers, OEMs, for Windows 11 devices. Microsoft's recent blog post clarifies the critical need for proper configuration of USB-C ports. A key issue highlighted is the mislabeling of ports, where a USB-C connector might be incorrectly identified as a USB-A port or vice versa. This misidentification has significant functional consequences. If a USB-C port is wrongly labeled as USB-A, it can severely limit its capabilities, leading to reduced data transfer speeds and slower charging cycles than the USB-C standard allows. Compounding the problem, when a port is misidentified, Windows may fail to display important notifications about connection issues or performance problems. This means users might not receive crucial troubleshooting tips or warnings, such as a laptop charging slowly or a connected USB device not functioning optimally. The root cause often lies in how PC manufacturers configure the Windows Advanced Configuration and Power Interface (ACPI) driver. Improper setup here can lead to these port malfunctions and communication errors. To combat this, Microsoft is mandating the use of the Windows Hardware Lab Kit (HHLK) during the device configuration process for new Windows 11 machines. This comprehensive testing suite is designed to validate drivers and ensure that USB ports are correctly set up and functioning as per their specifications. By enforcing the use of the HHLK, Microsoft aims to drastically reduce the incidence of misconfigured and unreliable USB ports. However, the success of this initiative hinges on compliance. While the guidelines are clear, the enforcement, particularly among budget PC manufacturers who might be tempted to cut corners during setup, remains to be seen. If manufacturers adhere to Microsoft's guidance, we can expect a significant improvement in USB-C port reliability. This move follows another initiative earlier this year, aimed at ensuring that all USB-C connectors deliver the full spectrum of the standard's capabilities, including high-speed data transfer, robust power delivery, and display output. Together, these efforts promise to make USB-C ports on Windows 11 PCs more predictable and dependable, finally addressing a long-standing user grievance. The question on many minds, however, is why such fundamental consistency wasn't a priority from the outset. This standardization promises a smoother user experience, but what about the broader impact of tech advancements? Get ready as we explore a massive investment targeting AI and climate change. A tech titan's vision, billions for AI and climate solutions. The intersection of massive capital and future-defining technology is often where the most significant breakthroughs occur. In a move that underscores the critical importance of artificial intelligence and the escalating urgency of climate action, Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates has reportedly set up a substantial endowment totaling $3.1 billion. This significant financial commitment is specifically earmarked to drive progress in artificial intelligence research and development, as well as to fund initiatives aimed at combating climate change. While specific details surrounding the exact operational structure and the precise allocation of funds are still emerging, the sheer scale of this endowment signals a profound dedication to tackling some of the world's most pressing challenges. Artificial intelligence, with its rapidly expanding capabilities, holds immense potential to revolutionize fields ranging from healthcare and scientific discovery to resource management and sustainable practices. Simultaneously, the global imperative to address climate change necessitates innovative solutions, substantial investment, and coordinated efforts across all sectors. This endowment is particularly noteworthy given the dual focus. AI can be a powerful tool in climate science, enabling more accurate modeling of climate patterns, optimizing energy grids, developing new materials for renewable energy, and enhancing the efficiency of industrial processes. By investing in AI, Gates is likely aiming to accelerate the development of technologies that can provide tangible solutions to environmental problems. The endowment could support research into areas like carbon capture, advanced battery technology, sustainable agriculture, and intelligent systems for monitoring and managing environmental resources. The Dutch pension fund, PFCW's recent decision to drop major asset managers like BlackRock and Legal & General in favor of a new investment strategy that prioritizes sustainability and active management, provides a broader context for such large-scale, purpose-driven investments. As institutional investors increasingly shift their focus towards environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria, endowments like this one signal a growing trend of capital being directed towards areas with long-term societal and environmental impact. This approach recognizes that financial returns can, and perhaps should, be aligned with positive global outcomes. Industry analysts and observers are keenly watching how this $3.1 billion endowment will be deployed. Will it foster groundbreaking AI algorithms for climate modeling? Will it fund the scaling of green technologies? Or will it support a combination of both, leveraging AI to create more effective climate solutions? The impact of such a significant investment could be far-reaching, potentially setting new benchmarks for philanthropic and impact investing in the tech and environmental sectors. While massive investments reshape global priorities, your daily digital life is also getting a major upgrade. Prepare for a seamless connection between your PC and phone as we reveal Microsoft's latest cross-device innovation. Seamless sync. Windows and Android get smarter together with Gboard support. In a move set to significantly enhance user productivity and convenience, Microsoft is preparing to roll out a highly anticipated feature: Clipboard synchronization between Windows 11 PCs and Android devices. This integration, expected to be a part of the phone link system, promises to bridge the gap between desktop and mobile workflows, allowing users to effortlessly transfer copied text and information between their devices. Crucially, initial reports indicate that this new functionality will be compatible with Gboard, Google's popular virtual keyboard, and likely other Android keyboards as well. For a long time, Clipboard syncing between different operating systems and devices has been a fragmented experience. While third-party applications have offered solutions, they often came with their own set of limitations, compatibility issues, or privacy concerns. Microsoft's venture into providing a first-party, integrated solution through PhoneLink addresses this gap directly. The feature, spotted in early development builds of Windows 11, allows users to enable and access PC's Clipboard toggle within the PhoneLink application. Once activated, copied content on the Windows PC is made available on the Android device's system Clipboard. What makes this update particularly noteworthy is its broad keyboard compatibility. Unlike some previous attempts at cross-device syncing that were tied to specific keyboard apps, this new Windows to Android Clipboard sync reportedly transfers content to the Android system Clipboard itself. This means that users can paste the synced content using any keyboard app installed on their Android phone, including Gboard, Samsung Keyboard, or others. Early testing even suggests that Microsoft's own SwiftKey keyboard experienced more issues with the sync than third-party alternatives like Gboard, highlighting the robustness of the system-level integration. There is, however, a notable limitation in this current iteration. The synchronization appears to be unidirectional. Content copied on the Windows PC can be pasted onto the Android device, but the reverse, copying on Android and pasting on Windows, is not supported in this early preview. Despite this one-way flow, the utility for users is undeniable. Imagine copying a long URL, a complex password, or a block of text on your PC, and then instantly being able to paste it into a message or a search bar on your phone without needing to retype it or use cumbersome workarounds. This feature could dramatically streamline tasks like transferring login credentials, sharing links, or moving notes between platforms. Public reaction to this development is expected to be overwhelmingly positive, as Clipboard Sync is a frequently requested feature for improving cross-device continuity. Tech enthusiasts and productivity bloggers are already discussing the potential time savings and convenience this offers. The integration with Gboard, a keyboard used by millions worldwide, ensures a wide reach for the feature. While the one-way limitation is a point of discussion, the foundation laid by Microsoft suggests a promising future for more comprehensive cross-platform integration. Streamlining your digital life is key, but how are businesses streamlining their core communications? We're now turning to a solution revolutionizing voice integration in Microsoft Teams. Call to Teams, bridging the gap in Microsoft Teams voice integration. In the rapidly evolving landscape of unified communications, integrating reliable voice capabilities into platforms like Microsoft Teams has been a persistent challenge for many service providers and enterprise clients. Traditional methods often involve complex configurations, significant infrastructure investments, and lengthy deployment times, creating a bottleneck for businesses looking to modernize their communication systems. Addressing this pain point head-on is Call to Teams, a sophisticated middleware solution developed by DSDNY, which is revolutionizing how voice services are connected to Microsoft Teams at scale. At its core, Call to Teams acts as an intelligent intermediary, simplifying the intricate process of connecting disparate voice infrastructures to the Microsoft Teams ecosystem. This platform is specifically designed for UC, unified communications, vendors, and carriers, providing them with a powerful and flexible tool to offer robust Teams voice capabilities to their customers without the traditional complexities. The middleware abstracts away much of the underlying technical hurdles, allowing providers to focus on delivering value-added services rather than wrestling with integration challenges. During a recent discussion, Scott Jenkins, product manager at DSDNY, elaborated on the transformative power of Call to Teams. He highlighted how the platform enables service providers to rapidly deploy voice solutions for Microsoft Teams, significantly reducing the time to market for new services. This speed is crucial in a competitive market where agility and responsiveness are key differentiators. Furthermore, Call to Teams supports a wide range of voice infrastructures, including legacy PBX systems, SIP trunks, and other telephony services, making it a versatile solution for businesses with diverse existing setups. The benefits extend beyond mere speed and compatibility. Call to Teams is engineered to handle the scalability demands of modern enterprises. As businesses grow and their communication needs evolve, the platform ensures that voice integration with Teams can expand seamlessly. This scalability is vital for service providers who need to support a growing client base with varying requirements. The middleware also facilitates compliance and management, offering tools that help providers maintain control and visibility over their deployed voice services within the Teams environment. Industry feedback on Call to Teams has been largely positive, with many providers citing it as a critical enabler for their Microsoft Teams voice strategies. Analysts recognize the platform's innovative approach to solving a complex integration problem, noting its potential to democratize access to advanced Teams voice features for a broader range of businesses. By simplifying the technical aspects, Call to Teams empowers service providers to enhance their offerings, improve customer satisfaction, and capture new market opportunities in the burgeoning Teams-based communication space. From simplifying complex integrations to enhancing everyday device use, the tech world is buzzing with innovation. Stay tuned as we bring you a rapid-fire recap of today's biggest stories. And that's a wrap on another essential tech update. We saw Microsoft pushing for better USB-C ports on Windows 11, a massive $3.1 billion endowment targeting AI and climate change, seamless Clipboard sync coming to Windows and Android via phone link with Gboard support, and Call to Teams revolutionizing voice integration for Microsoft Teams. Don't miss out on future insights. Hit that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for your regular dose of tech news, and ring that notification bell so you're always the first to know. Join the conversation in the comments below and follow us on all social platforms to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.